Not present here. I'm N.Ramyadevi, working as assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding predictive modeling and machine learning in which data warehouse overview. So a data warehouse, it's basically a giant database that contains information from many different sources and ties them together. A data warehouse is a relational database designed for query and analysis rather than transaction processing. It includes historical data derived from transaction data from a single and multiple sources. A data warehouse provides integrated enterprise-wide historical data and focuses on providing support for decision makers for data modeling and analysis. A data warehouse has the challenge of taking data from many different sources, transforming them into some sort of schema that allows us to query these different data sources simultaneously, and it lets us make insights through data analysis. Data warehouse environment contains an extraction, transportation, and loading solution, an online analytical processing engine, customer analysis tools, and other applications that handle the process of gathering information and delivering it to its business users. And this is the technique called ETL, extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, and load is a data integration methodology that extracts raw data from sources, transforms the data on a secondary processing server, and then loads the data into a target database. The method emerged in the 1970s and remains prevalent amongst on-premise databases that possess infinite memory and processing power. And this is a diagram behind the ETL process. Here first the database files and SaaS application and application events are having the data through which the data is extracted through different sources like databases, files, applications, and SaaS, and then it is transformed to a staging area. Here the transformation is happened. So transformation includes the data cleaning, data pre-processing, and the data is ready to be processed, and it is finally stored in a data warehouse. And finally we'll analyze the data for that. So next is the extract, transform, and load. The extract means extraction refers to pulling the source data from the original database or data source. With ETL, the data goes into a temporary staging area. In a traditional ETL scenario, the source data is extracted to a staging area and moved into the target system. Transformation. Transformation refers to the process of changing the structure of the information so it integrates with the target data system and the rest of the data in that system. In staging area, transformation can involve converting all data types to the same format, cleansing by removing inconsistent or inaccurate data, combining data elements from multiple data models, pulling in data from other sources and other processes. Next is load. Loading refers to the process of depositing the information into a target data, that is the target data storage system. Example, OLAP data warehouse. And this is the process of ELT. So ELT transform, extract, load, transform. Like it already extracts the information and load it into the data warehouse directly, and then that data will be used for analysis. So unlike ETL, extract, load, and transform does not require data transformations to take place before the loading process. ELT loads raw data directly into a target data warehouse instead of moving into a processing server for transformation. With ELT, data cleansing, enrichment, and transformation all occur inside the data warehouse itself. Raw data is stored indefinitely in the data warehouse, allowing for multiple transformations. ELT is a relatively new development made possible by the invention of scalable cloud-based data warehouses. Like example, Hadoop data lakes are special kinds of data stores that, unlike OLAP data warehouses, accept any kind of structured or unstructured data. So advantages of ELT is ELT lets the data destination do the transformation, eliminating the need for data staging, flexibility, faster loading time, and scalability. Advantages of ETL. ETL can help with data privacy and compliance, cleansing sensitive data before loading into the data destination, while ELT is simpler and for companies with minor data needs. Thank you. So here we have seen the data warehouse. So data warehouse which stores the information about the data, and then it processed through the two different techniques, like one is ETL, extract, transform, and load. The other one is ELT, extract, load, and transform. So the two techniques are used for extracting the data from the data warehouse and transforming it to the data, which involves data pre-processing, and finally that data will be used for analysis. Thank you.